Eastbound, you're okay along Route 46, not seeing any big problems.
This is a 1980s, maybe early 90s Panasonic RC-210A. It's a digital AM FM radio, alarm clock. It sounds great. I'll show you.
Is heavy. Our next traffic update's coming up in 15 minutes.
This is AM.
Partly cloudy tonight, lows in the mid-50s. Sunny and delightful on Wednesday with highs in the middle 70s. I'm meteorologist Gary Lassor for
ESPN Radio, the Rich Eisen.
FM. This is FM.
If it's been a while since you've used the Family Radio app, now's the time.
Think about that drop on the side.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God.
Oh, my God.
Oh, my God, yeah.
Are you okay?
Sit a little further over there.
Are you sure your skin's not glowing from doing this? It's crazy because I have to say that in my, I don't know if you say by my benefit, I have to say that
This is left-right balance.
A sunny with a hot wineries and
It's got two alarms, A and B. And everything works.